So today I'm going to show you how to add a career break to your profile. This feature was rolled out in 2022. I don't remember the exact month, but I think it's a game changer, especially this was during the pandemic, or we were coming out of the pandemic, and many people lost jobs because they got laid off, or they had to quit because they had to take care of their kids at home, or they got stuck in another country. And not just during the pandemic. I think this having this option to add a career break is helpful to anyone, because at some point in our lives, so in our professional life, you might have taken time off because of losing a loved one. Maybe we had kids that we had to take care of. We traveled the world. We were writing a book. I mean, there's so many reasons. So let's see how we can add it and what some of the options are. So you go to your profile and you click on Add Profile section. You'll see it right on the top in the introductory card. If I went too quickly, I'm going to show you again. And then you scroll down, you see Core, Add Education, Add Position, and you see Add Career Break. So you click on that, and then it says experiences outside a linear career path can make people better colleagues, thought partners, and leaders. Share these moments that make you unique. Learn more about career breaks. So let's check that out before I show you how to do it. So you can add career breaks to the experience section on your profile. Career breaks allow you to add context and share details about career breaks you've taken outside of regular employment in your work experience. You can select a specific type of career break or leave the career break type blank and add details in the description section. Adding a career break is optional and will be visible to logged in LinkedIn members. All right. So let's go back to career breaks. I guess I took a little bit of a career break when I came to the US, which was in 2002. I came to study film, and then I met my husband. Maybe this is too much information, but I stayed on because we got married, and I wasn't able to work immediately because I didn't have my work permit. So I guess that could be a career break. So I'm not even sure if that, I don't even think that's included, but you can see the various options for the type of career: bereavement, career transition, caregiving, full-time parenting, gap year, layoff, position eliminated, health and well-being, and personal goal pursuit, professional development, relocation. I guess that would be mine: relocation, retirement, travel, voluntary. So I'm going to do relocation, and I was in, let's see, San Francisco Bay Area. Let's see, yeah, that shows up. So I'm not currently on this career break, so I'm going to remove that. That was in November 2022, and I think I started working in maybe, I'm sorry, not 2022, 2002. Yeah. I started working maybe in April of 2000, actually it was, yeah, in 2003. Yeah. And I can say came to the US to study film and was waiting. And after I graduated, was waiting for my work permit. Okay, and I do, so that's it. So you can give the, and then I just save. And let's see if it shows up. It should show up in my experience section. So let's go scroll down. Yeah, you can see. So you can see here it says relocation, career break. The little section on the left, the little box has this kind of calendar icon and the description, and I could always edit it. If I wanted to delete it, I could delete it. I'm going to delete it because I don't think, for now at least, I don't think it's very important. So I'm going to delete it, but I could also change the description. So I'm going to delete it. And we're done, but I just want to show you how you could do this And I would encourage you to add a career break if you think it was relevant to what you were doing now. If you're looking for a new job and you know your potential employer is going to check your experience, and before they could even ask you, you have an explanation on why you have that career break. So that's my tip for now. If you have a comment, or if you've added a career break and want to share it with me or with us, you can do so in the comments of this video. All right, I'll see you next time with my next LinkedIn tip. Bye for now.